Today's the 24th of July 2021. We have Asunto and Kaviokatu 2 to 4, stickies A here, and we have just been to the stickies B as well. The best is 4 purchased of 325 grams, and this is correct outside.
Yeah.
And the other one is wrong.
Yeah.
And there are 8 floors here. It was built in early 1977. Actually, in December 1976. We also seen on the window, so it's turning 45 years old in the next year, 2022, is when it may expect it again. The serial number is H37869, and this is in Metsäkangas, one of the suburbs of Lahti. Lahti is in Finland. Same nice yellow, lemon yellow color here. The lamp for a ground floor button is broken.
Yeah. Niissä olisi tippaa kivaisi, kun meidän tenssipaikka on.
So I like the relays here.
Same here.
This for sure could have been made a bit faster. I think
Yeah.
8 floors is a bit too slow for us.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please
That's-
also watch this thing. It's been here.